Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 175. Order these amounts from smallest to largest. So at first I want to convert everything into fractions. So 0.4 is the decimals. So 4 is on the tens, so which is mean 4 divided by 10. Now I rewrite 1/3, rewrite 5 over 6, rewrite 3 over 4, and now the same thing, 0.3 is 3 over 10. Now we look at the denominators and it's all different. So the thing we want to do is you find the least common denominator. And how we find it? We will leave out all of the denominators and then we will make a compositions of the prime numbers to make the denominators. For example, for 3 it's a prime number, so it's 3. So for 4 we have a 2 is the prime numbers multiplied by 2, and then you have 6 is 2 times 3, and then you have 10. You can only need 1 time of 10 because even though you have 2 denominator with value of 10. Okay, so 10 is 2 times 5. Now go from top to bottoms. As we go, we take ones. Okay, so we have 3 right here. Take 3, and then go down. You have another 3. Just only write once. Okay. The next one is number 2. So I take this number 2 right here, and then every time I go down, I find that common factors. Okay, so that is 2. Now the rest, I have 2 right here. Okay, so I multiply by 2. It's no more 2. Okay, so I have 5 right here. I multiply by 5. Now our least common denominator becomes 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 5 is 60. Now I have to convert everything into the denominator of 60. So I have my 4 over 10, and I want to convert it into some fractions with the denominator and 60. I have my denominator right now is 10. I want to multiply by 6 to make it 60. But if I do that, I will change the fractions, the original fractions. Okay, so I will do top and bottom multiply by a factor of 6. Then it will be save my original numbers. Okay, because 6 divided by 6 is 1, and anything multiplied by 1 is itself. So 4 times 6 is 24. Now we rewrite the fractions 4 over 10 and 24 over 60. The next one is 1/3. So we do the same thing. We want to make sure that we convert it into something over 60. Okay, so 3 times 20 will make 60. So we do top and bottom to 20. So 1 times 20 is 20. So now we have 20 out of 60. Okay, the next one we have is 5 over 6. We want to convert into something over 60. We need to multiply top and bottom by 10. So we have 50 out of 60. Okay, now 3, 4. We want to convert it. So 4 times 15 will make it 60. So we do top and bottom by 15. So 3 times 15 is 45. The last one, we have 3 out of 10. and we need to convert it. So we need a factor of 6, top and bottom, so this is 18. Now we have similar denominator for all of the fractions. The only thing we need to compare is the numerator. So the smallest one, we can draw the line. And we know that all the fractions, the given fraction is less than 1 and bigger than 0. Because it's all positive numbers, so it's bigger than 0. It's less than 1 because all of them is the proper fractions, which is the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, so now we will knowing that we divide in half. At 1 it means 60 out of 60. At 50, at 0.5 right here, it is 30 out of 60. Okay, at 0.25 that is 15 out of 60. Okay, at 0.75 it is 45 out of 60. Okay, now we just kind of finding the positions. Okay, so we have 18 out of 60, so 18 is above 15, so 18 out of 60 is the smallest number right here. Then we have 20, right? 18 we done. 20 out of 60 is right here, right? It's above 18, it's less than 30. Now 24 is less than 30, so 24 out of 60 is right here. And now we have 45 out of 60, exact right here at 0.75. And then the last one is 50 out of 60. Of course, in between the 60 and 45. You have 50 out of 60 here. Okay, now we just find the correspond. The ratio represent the 18 out of 60. 18 out of 60 is 0.3. This columns. Okay, so this is 0.3. So we can eliminate that two middle answer choices. Okay, start with 1/3. It's not right. We take from smallest one to the largest. The next one is 20. So this columns, that's 1/3. The next one is 24 out of 60. 24 out of 60, that is 0.4. Okay, the next one is 3/4. 45 out of 60. And then the last one is 5/6. So the biggest number or the largest number is 5/6. So the correct answer is the last one. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.